Okay, let's get ready for the opening bell. Seconds away. There's your opening bell. All right, UVIX. Let's take a look at UVIX. Let's sell some covered calls
low
here.
tick alert -800. Extreme low tick alert.
All right, I'm looking to buy some calls for Friday, most likely, or maybe even tomorrow. LXU. Stop underneath 1550. LXU looks really good here. Nice follow through. Ag stocks looking good. 1028, we're not even an hour into the trading day. Most of what we're seeing strengthen materials, chemicals, crude oil, energy, industrials. We got military and aerospace north of Grumman, a little bounce. Coterra Energy, that looks good. Fairly inexpensive energy stock, Coterra. That looks really good. CTRA, most active, looks really good. VIX fading. Big volume on LNG. The 13th of September. This is your host, Cousin Vinny, coming to you from theclosingprint.com. It is just after 12:45 on the East Coast, 12:45 p.m. And no conviction on the long side, mostly just shorts covering for now.
White House advisor Sperling sees signs of core inflation to move in the right direction. So just some preview on the 30-year auction. Despite the supportive valuations, JP Morgan strategists see an additional concession needed for the auction to be digested smoothly due to macro uncertainty. Also, latest CFTC positioning data shows speculators net short 85.2 thousand bond purchases and net short 357,000 ultra long futures, a possible source of covering demand. Norway's PM says we will meet gas producers on Thursday to discuss prospects for longer term contracts and
there we go. New highs here.
Sales to Europe.
This stream is sponsored by TickStrike. TickStrike allows you to actually hear order flow in futures, forex, and stock instruments. Get a free trial at tickstrike.com.
All right. Reacts to VWAP. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP. We're getting close to VWAP now. All right. All right, VWAP is next. Watching for rejection of VWAP. Watch all these stocks that are following through here. Have some opportunities to sell some things for, nice profits intraday if you bought at the low. Rivian, that's pushing. We were much higher. We were near 40 this morning. 39.50. Rivian's going here. They go SPY. Okay, VWAP 399.71.
High tick alert +800.
All right, nice follow through. All right, a lot of profit taking in all these FANG stocks, very quick. Markets are very, very fickle. Runs up, People are quick to take profits. All right, so VWAP is right here coming up. Almost want to take some puts without seeing what the market net flow is going to do. Order flow still flat. All right, so supply came in here at 420. It's probably the 398s, which have been very active, fairly inexpensive for tomorrow's expiration. A little bit of a bet and slash
This trade is
hedge.
sponsored by
The City CEO Mason sees investment banking revenue to fall 50% in the third quarter. So again, at the top of the hour, Biden will be hosting an event following the passage of the Inflation Reduction Act. So if you'd like to watch this, the live video is available on the feed. Again, due to be starting at the top of the hour.
Looks like another bear flag. RSI is trying to turn, but it looks like another bear flag. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today. I was very happy to be here and talk you through the carnage. If you needed a handheld, I don't think anybody in the room really needed hand holding. Very good day today. Into the close. Look at that volume at the close. Most of you had puts, some puts going into CPI. Yoda mentioned, Wall Street Yoda mentioned the puts towards the close. Market on close, there was a lot of puts being bought. We saw some divergence that was a nice play. RSI continued to rally, so we had a nice move off the 397.60 up to 399. So you got about a $2 move in options if you traded them. And then we had another put play off of VWAP. RSI started turning down. We got rejected at VWAP. That was a very nice entry there for those of you who took it. And we just kept selling into the end of the day. So what happens tomorrow? Not really sure. But, we'll trade it either way. We were able to trade this today in both directions. We could do the same thing tomorrow. I'm thinking that maybe we'll test 390. We're almost there. I thought we might actually get there today. So we closed down on the day 4.31%. That's a new one. That's a new record. In one day, 4%. So going into tomorrow, maybe I'll write something, a blog post or whatever. And look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for joining us. This is your host, Cousin Vinny, coming to you from theclosingprint.com at the closing bell, Tuesday, the 13th of September. I trust you had a good day. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.